Ever wondered what made the 1960s a remarkable era for fashion? This vibrant decade saw social and cultural shifts that seeped into the world of style, redefining fashion norms. Join us on a sartorial journey through the 60s, a time when fashion echoed the spirit of change. The 1960s were a decade of radical change, and that was reflected in the fashion of the times. The early 60s, also known as the Jackie Kennedy years, were all about elegance and sophistication. The First Lady's fashion influence was undeniable. Chic pillbox hats, pastel suits, and flattering A-line dresses became the rage. Jackie O's style defined the early 60s, setting a high bar for fashion in the decade. As we move into the mid-60s, youth culture takes center stage with the rise of the mod fashion. This was a style marked by geometric patterns and a bold palette of bright colors. Miniskirts, designed by the trailblazing Mary Quant, became a signature piece. The Wayfish model Twiggy embodied this look, with her pixie cut and kohl-rimmed eyes. The mid-60s brought us the iconic miniskirt and a youthful, vibrant aesthetic. The late 60s saw a shift towards the unconventional bohemian styles of the hippie movement. This era was marked by a rebellious spirit, expressed through fashion with iconic elements. Tie-dye, for instance, became a symbol of vibrant individuality. Bell-bottom jeans, too, made a statement of nonconformity. Paisley prints, with their intricate swirls, embodied the hippies' free-spirited ethos. The hippie movement closed out the 60s with a style that was as rebellious as it was colorful. From Jackie O's elegance to hippies' bohemian vibes, the 60s were a roller coaster ride of fashion trends. The decade began with the polished sophistication of Jackie Kennedy, setting a high fashion standard for women everywhere. But as the youth culture rose, mod fashion took the world by storm, introducing vibrant colors and bold patterns. The swinging 60s also saw the rise of the hippie movement, with its tie-dye shirts, bell-bottom jeans, and free-spirited flair. These trends mirrored the social, cultural, and political shifts of the time. The 1960s, a decade of changing styles, left an indelible mark on the world of fashion, influencing trends we still see today.